up, good people? Here's shot the first thing Kia for allowing me to review the 2025 Kia K4. Bold, modern, and built to turn heads, the all-new 2025 Kia K4 have arrived. Wrapped in a sleek steel gray, this stylish sedan stretches 185 inches in length, standing 55 inches tall, sitting confidence with a 3.5-inch ground clearance. With its 107-inch wheelbase, the K4 is designed for a smooth, stable ride. Under the hood packs a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine powered by smart screen technology, delivering 147 horses for the torque 132 at 4,000 RPM. This K4 sprint from 0 to 60 in 8.6 seconds. Eventually, we'll get there, reaching a top speed of 124 miles per hour, while achieving an impressive 39 mpg on the highway and 29 mpg in the city. The Kia K4 is a game changer in its class. A striking silhouette, turn heads as you turn the corner with the K4. Meticulously crafted fastback style side profile. The simple edges are bold, connected to create a strong and unmistakable presence. This had an MSRP of $25,000. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with gray cloth seats. Right here we are looking at a digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPMs with your engine temp. In the middle you have your tire pressure display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your tire pressure, trip, menu, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane follow assist alongside your menu button with drive mode. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your electronic parking with your traction control. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. On the left, you have a 5-inch climate display. On the right, you have a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking down front of radio, you have your traditional radio shortcuts. You have 2 ways that can control your climate, your 5-inch climate display with your traditional buttons. In the cubby area, you have your 2 Type-C outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. The buttons right here are your auto hold with your camera view. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is the IVT, Intelligent Verbal Transmission. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is enough that you can put some zebra cakes in. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect and your Care Connect. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with gray cloth seats. Your passengers have 2 Type-C in the rear of the vehicle. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 14.6 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of luggage back here.
Once again, huge shout out to First Team Kia for allowing me to review the 2025 Kia K4. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.